Hi, this is Tom with Selkcomm. This is a 2012 Ford F150. It's the STX four-wheel drive. This is the hardest loaded pickup truck I've ever seen in my life. And it would take all day long to shoot a video to talk about the options. So I listed it on eBay, and there's an extensive list and description of the options. My main concern with shooting this video was so you could hear the motor run. The number one issue with the 3.5 twin turbo is that the timing chain and the phasers go out of whack. It's not a pretty job. We used all Ford factory parts, and the best mechanic in town did it, and the truck rides and drives like a dream now. So like I said, we spent all the dough to get this job done the right way. It lasted the first time around for 190,000 miles, so using Ford factory parts, you should probably expect something in that range after that. So I'm going to start it up here, let you hear it run briefly, and then I invite you to go over to the my eBay site, which is under Selkcomm, so it's Selkcomm, and you'll see 24 pictures and all sorts of, oh, excuse me. All sorts of descriptions of the fancy upgrades this truck has. Okay. Here she goes. Just purrs. And we have receipts for all of the work that was done. Ugh. And of course, all fresh fluids and filters, you know, full synthetic oil, you name it, transmission. But there it is. And I mean, it is, it's gorgeous. There's a lot of power, 375 horsepower, very responsive. So, anywho, so please go to my eBay site, and that's under Selkcomm. That's Selkcomm, and you'll see this vehicle, 24 still shots, and description of all of the options it has, which are very, very extensive. If you have any questions, you can call me here in El Paso. My phone number is 915-244-2871. This is Tom from Selkcomm, and I do appreciate your looking. Thank you.